Hello friends, today we will see AVL program. So this is your AVL program where two classes are used. First class is class node, which consists of only the constructor for creation of the node. That constructor consists of string copy key comma this string copy mean, means whatever value we are providing here, that will be copied in key array, and the value which is provided here will be copied in mean array. This is balance factor. Initially balance factor is 0 and its nodes left is null and right is also null. So this is about node. Next class is AVL class. This class is friend class of the class node. Now see, these are all the functions. Initially AVL is the constructor where root is equals to null. So whenever object of this class is created, root is always null first time of the execution of the program. Then these are the functions that we are going to use in our program: insert, display, LL, right rotation, LR rotation, left rotation, RL rotation. So then next is in balance factor, get height, then deletion of the node, displaying of the tree. Next functions are update, display ascending, display descending. Then search. Search function again called, then find function. Okay. So we'll start with the insert function. In insert function, see, two arrays are used, data array and meaning array. So first of all, ask user to enter the keyword to be added in the dictionary. So that keyword will be stored in array data and its meaning will be stored in the array meaning. This is the dictionary program we have to do using AVL tree. So that's why data and meaning array is used. So now after accepting data and meaning from the user, call the insert function. Provide root to the insert function, data and its meaning, means keyword and its meaning. So three parameters will be provided and it is going to return you the root. So this is your insert function. Node pointer root, character data array, meaning array. Here root, initially if root is null, then new node will be created where data means key and meaning will be copied and its left right are null, balance factor is 0, means this is the first node. If root is null, the new node you are creating is the first node of your tree. Next, if root is not null, means you will insert the data either in left or in right side of the root. That's why here string comparison is done. If string comparison data comma root of the key, the data means the key that you want to insert. If that key and root key, the difference is less than 0, means you will be inserting in the left subpart of the root. That's why root of left equal to insert root of left comma key and meaning. After inserting, again insert function will be called. Here root is not null, again it will jump here. Now after inserting, balance factor will be calculated. Balance factor is the function, it returns you balance factor of the root. And here now see out node and balance factor. So output consists of each node and its balance factor. So after getting the balance factor of the newly inserted node, if the balance factor of balance factor of the root is given to you, for example, see here, this is the node or this is the node that you have inserted. So balance factor of the root means this and this. If balance factor of this is -2, means this is left of left. So you have to perform left rotation here. So in this way left rotation will be performed. Otherwise, if the balance factor is -2 or +2, then for checking +2, check its left. If the balance factor of this left is -1, this is the node that you have inserted. Balance factor of this is -1 and balance factor of this is 2. Means it requires left LR rotation. Left, first of all, the left rotation and then right rotation. So here, see, this is your root. After that root of left, what is the value of this? Compare the key of this and key of this. If this key is having less value than this root, its meaning is the node is at the left part of the root, and the key value of this and key value of this, the difference is that key value of this is less than key value of this, means इस नोड के राइट में. You will clear from here. See, if the balance factor of the root is 2, then compare the strings. String comparison. Data comma root of left of key. Root of left of key means this root of left of key. Root of left, its key means whose the data that you have newly inserted प्लस दिस, इन दोनों का कंपैरिजन होगा. अगर इसकी की ग्रेटर है इसके की से, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? ये जो है दिस की इज रूट ऑफ लेफ्ट, मीन्स रूट के लेफ्ट में ये है और उसके लेफ्ट में न्यूली इंसर्टेड डेटा है. दैट्स वाई you have performed only one operation, that is right rotation. That right rotation is mentioned as RR rotation, sorry, LL rotation, left of left. So after performing LL rotation, this is the updated tree. Now see, if balance factor is equal to 2 है, तो उसमें से भी पहले चेक करो डेटा का की प्लस रूट के लेफ्ट का की. अगर डेटा की ग्रेटर है, डेटा कॉमा रूट ऑफ लेफ्ट ऑफ की इज लेस देन 0, मीन्स परफॉर्म ओनली वन रोटेशन, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर बताया, ओनली वन रोटेशन. एल्स रूट इक्वल्स टू LR रूट, मीन्स दैट कंडीशन इज दिस वन, this and this. So you have to perform 2 rotation, that is LR. First of all left rotation for this and then right rotation for this. Now this is just for insertion in the left. Else अगर string comparison यहाँ पर जो है डेटा का string comparison रूट के string comparison से कम है, means key value of the root node that you have inserted is less than key value of the root, means you have inserted in left. So here else, अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो right में insert करो. So root of right equal to insert root of right data comma meaning. Again after insertion you have to check balance factor again, balance factor of the root. So first of all print the node and then balance factor. Now if balance factor is equal to -2, then see first of all उस ट्री में रूट के नीचे जो नोड है, if it is having minus balance factor means this is the case, so only one rotation. Else अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो else 2 rotations you have to perform. This is the logic for insertion. So every time you have to consider one thing, that is this is your root का right, compare the keys. This is the key having greater value than this. अगर ऐसा है तो ये जो नोड है रूट के राइट में है, अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो जो नोड है रूट के लेफ्ट में होगा, ऐसा होगा वो. So by comparing the values of the key we are calculating which rotation we have to perform. Now this is related to insertion. The next is calculation of the height. For calculation of the height we are using get height function that is used recursively. here we are calculating height of left subtree and height of right subtree. Height of left subtree equal to get height temp of left. Temp is nothing but the node whose height you want to calculate. So this function will be called recursively for finding height of left subtree, and this function is called recursively to find height of right subtree. After getting HL and HR value, if HL is greater than HR, HL plus 1 will be written, else HR plus 1 will be written. It is equal to the same function HL equal to 1 plus height of left and HR equal to 1 plus height of right, जो हम बुक में कुछ बुक में ऐसा दिया हुआ है. It is same as this also. Now this is the code for calculation of right rotation. LL rotation only single rotation, and that is rotation to the right. So you know these three are the instruction for rotation of the right, and after rotating the right again we have to calculate the balance factor. So this is calculation of balance factor, and this is RR rotation. RR is nothing but the left rotation. So again three instructions for left rotation, and then calculate the balance factor. And then calculate two balance factor you have to calculate. Then RL rotation. First is root of right. RL is first of all right rotation, then left rotation. So root of right equal to LL root of right. This is right rotation on the root of right, and this one is RR left rotation on the root. Similarly this is LR rotation, and now this is the function for calculation of balance factor. Balance factor is nothing but the difference between the height. Now display. Now while displaying there are two options, display ascending or display descending. Display ascending means what? Call the function. Which function? Three display types are there for any tree. It may be a binary search tree or any other tree. We are displaying in three different ways: root, left, right, root, and left, root, right. Okay, so these are the two rotation. Ascending means first of all left, then root, and then right, because this is binary tree. So if the condition is this, if you are displaying left, then root, then right, so the display is 5, 10 and 15. It is nothing but the in order traversal. So display ascending is just nothing but the in order traversal, recursive in order traversal of the tree. And display descending means what? 15, 10 and 5. So there is no such type of traversal, but just it is called in the sequence that we require. So first of all हमें right का data चाहिए. So display root of right, then see out value of root means right print होगा, then root print होगा, and this is display root of left, so left print होगा. Next is find function. Find means whether the particular node is present or not. That function is called here, and that is here, find. There are two parameters that are required for find function. First is the root, and next is the key that you want to find. So here first of all, if root is not equals to null, root अगर null नहीं है तो ही आगे जाना है. So here compare the strings key and root of key, the key that you want to search and the key of root. If the difference is less than 0, means you have to search in the left subtree of the root. Else if the difference is greater than 0 means you have to traverse or search in right subtree of the root. And if difference is 0 means you got the required node at root position only. So if the node is or difference is 0 means node is present, so make the flag 1. If flag is 1, display the keyword and meaning of that node. Else if flag is 0, then print data not present. Search function is same, just here there is a statement enter the data to find. After accepting data from user, this find function is called in this search function. This find function is written separately because this function is required for searching also as well as for deletion of the node also. That's why it is written in this way. Now we'll see the deletion function. This is deletion. So in AVL, deletion consists of 3 cases. Deletion of a node which is having no child, the case 1. Then case 2, deletion of a node having 1 child, and case 3, deletion of a node having 2 children. So in that case what you have to do, first of all ask the user to enter the key that you want to delete and pass that key to this delete function. So it takes 2 parameters. Now check, if root is null then return root. Else if root is not null, compare the data of the node that you want to delete and the root. If the difference is less than 0 means you have to search the required node for deletion in left subtree. Else you have to search the node in right subtree. Okay, else you will get the node at root position only. So in that case check, if the root of left is null and root of right is also null means only the node you want to delete, it doesn't have any child. In that case directly delete the root. Else the case may be कि root of left is null but root of right is not null. So in that case what you will do, if root of left is equal to null, so temp is equals to root का डेटा टेम्पररी में स्टोर करो और रूट को न्यू डेटा असाइन करो, दैट इज़ रूट ऑफ राइट. जो उसका राइट चाइल्ड है वो उसकी जगह रिप्लेस करेगा. एल्स अगर रूट ऑफ राइट इज़ नल मीन्स राइट चाइल्ड नल है बट लेफ्ट चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट नल, इन दैट केस डिलीट द रूट और रूट को रिप्लेस करेगा उसका लेफ्ट चाइल्ड. दिस इज़ द केस फॉर हैविंग 1 चाइल्ड. नाउ इफ third condition means you want to delete a node which have 2 children. So in that case अगर 2 children है, for example this is the case or this is the case, I want to delete 10 but it has 2 children. So what you have to do, you have to move to the राइट में मूव करो और राइट में अगर इसे लेफ्ट सबट्री है तो लास्ट तक उस लेफ्ट सबट्री को ट्रैवर्स करो सो दैट वो जो मिलेगा दैट इज़ योर इन ऑर्डर प्रीडिसेसर और उसे यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करना है. सो हियर फाइंड मिनिमम रूट ऑफ राइट. फाइंड मिनिमम जो है वो वही करता है रूट का राइट. आप रूट के राइट में जाके मिनिमम फाइंड आउट करता है. मीन्स जो नोड डिलीट करना है उसके राइट में जाएगा और उस राइट जाने के बाद उसके लेफ्ट में लास्ट में जाएगा और वो नोड रिटर्न करेगा. दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द नोड इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर. इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर होगा वो और वो इस रूट की जगह लेगा. नाउ रूट ऑफ राइट इक्वल टू डिलीट, ये अगेन कॉल किया है टू डिलीट द इन ऑर्डर सक्सेसर उसके पोजिशन से. सो दिस इज डिलीशन. For more information you can see this code in the textbook. यहाँ पे वो as it is लिखा है. Next is updation. So for updation this is dictionary. So if you want to update the meaning of any key then what you can do is enter the keyword to be updated. You call the find function to search that key. After getting the key update its meaning using string copy function. Okay. So this is your search function. If you want to search whether the particular node is present or not, you can call the search function, where again you have to call the find function. And this is your main function: insert, display, delete, update, search. These operations you have to perform on the AVL tree. Now in exam, if AVL tree program is you have, or what you can say, in exam, if you collect the cheat which consists of AVL, then what you have to do, at least do 3 functions: insert, display, and then either you can delete or you can update and search. Any 3 function. Here insert and display is compulsory, and after that you can delete and update, or you can delete and search, or update and search. So at least 3 to 4 function, not all function, but at least 3 to 4, where insertion and display is compulsory. Okay.